What is up, guys? It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic. That's the favourite YouTube mechanic. What we're going to do is today, I've got a Mercedes here, 2011 plate Mercedes C-Class. It's a W204, and what we're going to do is we're going to replace the headlight bulb. Yep, dead easy job. You can do it outside your house. This is a petrol one, 2 litre petrol. You can do it outside your house, no problem. Let's go, let's do it. Alright guys, they're both same on either side. You can get your hand in there, no problem. Hand in there, no problem at all. So what we're going to do is, there's a cover here. Tear that cover off. Take that cover off anti-clockwise. That comes straight off. There we go. And the bulb lives in there. Dead easy, no messing about whatsoever. So what we do is we pull this plug off, switch off. Yeah, it's a pull the switch off. Yeah, it's a H7 bulb, and then if I zoom in, you can see there's a little clip there. Yeah, we push the clip down like that, push it down, and then go down. Basically, push it inwards. Yeah, focus. Push it inwards, and then push it down, and then that clip just comes straight off. Yeah, and then all we do is just pull the bulb out. Happy days. Okay guys, there we have it. There's the bulb out. Do not touch the glass. Well, this is the old one, so it doesn't really matter. When we go fitting the new one, make sure you don't touch the glass. Hold it on the switch, where the switch goes on, you know, on the metal. Do not hold the glass, and then just replace it. Fit a nice new one like your Osram or like your Phillips or Lucas, something like that, a ring, you know. Do not go fitting cheap bulbs. I mean, on this one it's not too bad, you can do it 2 minutes, you know, but on certain cars you have to, they're really hard to do, so you don't want to go fitting a rubbish bulb. Anyway guys, let's go fit the new one. Alright guys, there's the new bulb. What I'm going to do is exactly the same way. Let me try to get the same way we took it off. On these, the pointer goes underneath, so get that in there. Basically there it is. The pointer goes underneath. Let me just try getting that lined up there, like that. Yep. On some cars the pointer goes on the top. This one, it goes on the bottom. Same way again. We put the clip there, push it down, and then push it inwards, clip straight on. And what we do now is we put the switch back on. There we go. Happy days. Next job is, what you could do now is try it and see if it works, because the last thing you want is to put everything back on and then it's not working, do it again. But it should be working. It's a new bulb. So what I do now is put this cover back on. Got that cover back on clockwise. There we go. Clicks. Happy days. All done and dusted. There we have it guys. That's how we replace the bulb on a 2010 W204, that is a W204 Mercedes C-Class. Right, 5 minutes job basically. You can do it outside your house, like I mentioned. You don't need to really take it to a garage to do that, but if you take it to a garage, it should take them about 5 minutes to do that. Right, this might be my last video for, I would say, about a week, 2 weeks maybe, because due to the coronavirus we are closing the garage down. Unfortunately, we have to close down minimum until the Easter holidays are done, basically next Tuesday. So we're on Wednesday. For a week at least we'll be closed, so I might not make any more videos in the garage. So I've got a few to post anyway, so you guys will see them anyway. And yeah, Raul TV, Team R4UL, we will be back again. Let's get through this coronavirus. We're all in it together. Stay home, stay safe, like, share and subscribe to my channel guys. Peace and blessings, and I will see you guys soon.